Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. Trade 24/7 is stepping onto the scene and shaking up how traders operate in 2025. Backed by global regulation, access to multiple asset classes, and advanced trading technology, it's a setup where real opportunity meets serious capability. And as you can see, guys, the momentum around it is clearly. Without further ado, let's dive into this massive project. Welcome back, guys. As you could have seen, this project is designed to make trading smarter, faster, and safer for every user. The platform pairs high-end technology with a clean and easy-to-use interface so your focus stays on the trades that matter. Security is a top priority here, with strong encryption and two-factor authentication keeping both funds and personal details fully protected. Getting started is quick, as all you have to do is create an account, verify, deposit, and you're ready to trade without unnecessary delays. And with 24/7 dedicated support on hand, you are never left without help when you need it. Market access is seamless with the platform that's working smoothly across all devices, so you can trade from anywhere without missing key moves. Tight spreads and zero commissions mean more profit stays in your pocket, which is giving you a cost-efficient edge over time. From a professional view, that kind of fee model can make a real difference to long-term returns, especially for active traders. Built-in advanced tools and analytics give you the insights to refine strategies, spot stronger setups, and act on data with confidence. As you can see, guys, this one is delivering both precision and speed in the markets. You get access to over 160 instruments across global markets, which is giving plenty of room to diversify and adapt. You can trade leading Forex pairs like Euro and USDT, GBP and USD, and Euro and GBP with robust tools to help sharpen your decisions. Low margin share trading opens doors to major companies, while commodities such as gold, silver, oil, and energy offer both stability and growth potential. Indices provide exposure to entire sectors, and CFDs allow you to move on both rising and falling markets without owning the underlying asset. As you can see, guys, having all of this in one regulated and secure platform is a strong setup for staying ahead. The platform is built to suit both beginners and experienced traders, with an interface that is simple to navigate while still offering the tools that are needed for deeper market analysis. So technically, trading, tracking prices, and managing positions is straightforward and distraction-free. With CFDs on more than 160 assets, full browser and mobile access, and efficient charting tools, you've got everything in one place for focused execution. As you can see, there are 4 account types such as Classic, Silver, Gold, and VIP. All offer leverage up to 1 to 400, access to every asset class, a 100% margin call, and a 20% stop out to manage risk. Positions can start from 0.01 lots and scale up to 50, which is giving flexibility for both low volume and high volume traders. What's cool is that support is free for all accounts, while Gold and VIP levels include monthly account reviews, which is a valuable feature for sharpening strategies in fast-moving markets. Trade 24/7 gives you global market access, ultra-tight spreads, and round-the-clock expert support, all from a broker that is built for serious results. This is where speed, precision, and constant market reach put you in the best position for your next big move. Don't miss it. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.